How to change your commander in Rise of Kingdoms. Now there's a difference between your starting commander and your starting civilization. If you want to change the first kind of commander you're going to get, that's not possible. You could get other commanders in your summon and then use them in whatever way you want. But if you want to go ahead and change your civilization though, in your governor profile, and then it's going to be found right here on the civilization. As you can see, it's on the top right of the little page, and then there's going to be this small double arrow or something. You're gonna press on that, and as you can see, there's going to be your civilizations. You could choose from Greece, Rome, whichever you want. Let's say you want to go and change your civilization into Egypt. You just go ahead and press on the switch button, and then you will get those attributes instead of the older civilization you had. You can choose your special unit, as you can see, but that's pretty much it. All you have to do now is just confirm using 10,000 gems or rubies or whatever that is, and then you can change your civilization. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.